Take a look at today's weather photo. It's a beautiful spot, Bonne Bay, taken by Sherry Collins. Sherry, thank you very much for sharing that photo with me. That's an area I got to see a lot of last summer. In fact, I got to take the ferry from Norris Point over to Woody Point, and it was quite the experience. It's a long drive, a short boat ride, and it certainly is a beautiful area. And if you have never experienced that area or Grossmore National Park or the West Coast, I highly, highly recommend taking a trip out there. The views are certainly worth the drive if you're coming from eastern Newfoundland. Now, if you've got photos like that, you can get them to me via my Facebook page or my Twitter. And you can also visit our website, ntv.ca. There's a live look at the home page there. My forecast is up there as well, along with NTV+. And I got a cool little blog post, what's with the occasional hazy skies lately, which I was just talking about. So a little more detail on that on our home page this evening, and also your latest news and weather are up there as well. Futurecast will take us from tonight through tomorrow into Thursday morning. And what we will see is a couple of waves of low pressure swinging through. The first moves through tonight. That will bring with it some rain for southern and western Newfoundland by midnight, showers in the east. Period of rain early tomorrow morning. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, seeing some snow on the northern peninsula. So if you're heading towards St. Anthony from some of the lower elevated areas like Port au Choix, for instance, you may very well run into that snow. If you're heading out of Deer Lake tomorrow morning, up Route 430 into the high terrain, you'll likely see some of that snow as well. On the Newfoundland side of the straits, that ends 8, 9 o'clock. On the Labrador side, looks like it will continue into the afternoon before winding down early. Tomorrow evening, 6 o'clock, our second wave of low pressure begins to move through, and that will begin to spread rain across southern and eastern areas by tomorrow evening after the lull during the day. The rain tomorrow night going to be heavy at times for the Burin, Avalon, Bonavista peninsulas and parts of the northeast coast. Notice the yellows and oranges there showing up on the map, indicating heavy rainfall rates at midnight tomorrow night. That lifts northward. And by 7, 8 o'clock Thursday morning, we're done with the rain. Skies are clearing out. Thursday looks chilly and sunny. And that'll set us up for a mild day Friday. In fact, some of the warmest air so far this season is on the way just in time for the May to 4 long weekend. Your preview on that coming up in just a second. Rainfall from tonight through Thursday morning going to be heaviest over southern and eastern sections of the island. Although it looks like a large swath of Newfoundland between now and then. We'll see between 10 and 20 millimeters of rain again coming in a couple of different waves. But on the Avalon, Burin, Bonavista peninsulas, looks like a widespread 15 to 30 millimeters of rain is on the way. Snowfall-wise, overnight into tomorrow morning and early afternoon. Again, there you have it. Northern part of the northern peninsula, between 2 and 5 and 5 and 10 centimeters of snow. Same thing for southern parts of Labrador, higher amounts inland over high terrain. As you get south and west along the coast, do not expect a whole lot. Same thing for parts of Labrador, north and west, not really a whole lot. And again, really limited to the high terrain in the top of the northern peninsula. And there's Route 430 there, as you can see. Shouldn't be too bad, but as you kind of have to go across the top of the northern peninsula, that's where you will find some wintry or spring wintry driving conditions tomorrow morning. So keep that in mind. There's your May 2-4 long weekend preview. Again, a long way from the snow we're going to be seeing tonight and tomorrow, especially for southern and eastern parts of Newfoundland. Look at central Sunday, maybe 20 degrees, but Sunday looking at the potential of some rain for a large swath of the province, and those showers may linger on the island into Monday. But overall, we've had significantly worse May 2-4 long weekends, and this will get a bit clearer as we get closer and closer to the weekend. So tomorrow's a pretty good idea. So for tonight, 1 to 5, eastern, northeastern Newfoundland, southwest winds 20 gusting 30, a few showers here and there. For the day tomorrow on the Avalon, we may see a few sunny breaks early, rain heavy at times by evening, highs between 9 and 14 degrees, and those winds ramping up south 40, gusting as high as 70. Western half of Newfoundland tonight, 0 to 4 for the overnight low, snow north, rain showers and rain south, and especially west and southwest. For a day tomorrow, highs 4 north, closer to 10 for central, the west coast, and the south coast. Into Labrador overnight, a chilly one, temperatures -1 to -6. And then for your day tomorrow, highs between 4 and 8 with the rain and snow showers on the go and some snow the closer you get to the Strait of Belle Isle. Your 5-day forecast for eastern Newfoundland, there's a lovely stretch of weather Thursday, Friday, Saturday, maybe some rain for Sunday. Hopefully that changes. For central Newfoundland, a few showers on Thursday morning, otherwise looking at mid to upper teens Friday, 21 Saturday and 20 on Sunday. Western Newfoundland, 6 degrees on Thursday, 14 Friday, 18 Saturday and Sunday with the potential for rain on Sunday. And for Labrador, even in the west, we warm up for the weekend in the east. Same thing, but the rain is in the forecast on and off for the 5-day forecast.